Welcome to Ngobo 23 Shop channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click that subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, tada. This is Ngobo 23 Shop channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 1, Amazulu 1. My brother, kunjani?
Ngiyaphila mapolo.
Shabubani ubuyaphi?
Umabove man ekhaya kusenkandla qude nenkandla enhle ngokuyiholela. Suka leThekwini sizothi besikhahlala besifuka thatha onke lamaphoyinti. Ene14 njengamaZulu. Ngoba mina amaZulu angwasupport ngoba edlala neChiefs. Ngasupport aliphuma lishone. To us iwin le. So credit to coach wethu Atazwane, credit to ama player. And singasho ukuthi iChiefs idlala ibhola elihle. Idlala igame enhle and kodwa nje ngaphekwa khonke thina sithatha as iwin because okoqala it's away game. It's away game. So iChiefs it's 12 players against 11 yabo because looking at ukuthi thina we less than 1% of the attendance but leyo attendance abadlali bethu bathi no yazini aswathethe lama point asithekiseka ama point team yabo so nje sisebenze kahle kakhulu kodwa nje siyabonga kakhulu
umdlali osebenza kakhulu ebadlalini bakho bani
no futhi ulongana uAlan yabona kade mayibamba ngitlalela this is TLB Roman figure number 2 TLB number 2 hayi no mfethu udlalile ulongana
no siyabonga kakhulu nami kahle ezanze
asiyabonga sayithe kuni manje
nazo ukuthi
jwala bhuti
hebe
hebe
usuthi
elethu